Okay, so now when I use a ChromeBook instead of my Mac, I've been thinking about that I could actually use Google services for my GTD now. So Google Keep, Google Calendar and Inbox by Gmail. Yes, I know that Todoist has an excellent Chrome app and also other apps for my other devices and all that. So that's not the reason why I will try out Google services for getting things done, GTD. The reason is that there is actually some huge potential in using 3 apps for getting things done. Inbox by Gmail, Google Keep and Google Calendar all works together as one app actually when it comes to getting things done and to-do list and all that and tasks that you need to do. So if I add a normal reminder in Google Calendar, it shows up in Inbox by Gmail also as a reminder. So I get a notification in my inbox and I can see what I can do and I can snooze it, I can defer it, I can move it and I can mark it as done directly in Inbox by Gmail or in Google Calendar. And the same thing with Google Keep. If I have a note in Google Keep, an excellent service, it's actually better than Evernote to me now. So I think Google Keep is excellent and available on all my devices. So if I add a note in Google Keep and then I decide that I need to do something about this note and on a specific date and time, then I can add a reminder in Google Keep for that note and it shows up in my Google Calendar and my Inbox by Gmail. So that's why I like these 3 services together as a getting things done workflow. So that's why I'm planning to use this instead of Todoist at the moment to see if I can find out a way that's better than Todoist for this. One thing that's bad though is that the new goal feature in Google Calendar, it's an excellent feature that you can add your goals. For example, if you want to start workout or something, then the Google Calendar finds time for you automatically. You don't need to schedule and decide when to work out and all that. Google Calendar learns when you have the time to do workout, for example, or read a book or any goal you set. So that feature is awesome, but I don't like that the goals doesn't show up in the other apps like Inbox by Gmail, for example. I don't know why. Reminders and all the other stuff shows up in these apps, but not the goals. I don't know why. So because I want to use Inbox by Gmail as an inbox for everything, and that's why I would like to have the goals, Google Calendar goals feature. All the goals shows up in the inbox too. Otherwise, Inbox by Gmail is an excellent inbox for all your GTD because you have categories for example, if you go into the category snooze, you have all your reminders there, all coming reminders, all the reminders for today. And if you go to the category done, you see all the tasks that you have done. So it saves all the tasks so you can go back to see what you have done and what you have not. And the same thing with Google Calendar. You can see an overview of everything you should do today and the coming days and so on. And in Google Calendar you can add reminders and normal tasks, but in Inbox by Gmail you can also add reminders for specific places. So you can, for example, add a reminder for something you should do at home or at work, for example. So then when you get to that location, you get a notification for that task that need to be done at that place. I think that's really nifty. Okay, so that was some of my first thoughts about using 3 Google services instead of Todoist for my GTD. I will probably blog a lot about that and do more videos later on when I have tried this. Okay, bye.